Doc Lulu Marquez po. Let's talk about the liver. If the skin is the largest organ of our body, the liver is the second largest organ. Importante ba yung atay? Siyempre. Yung po lahat ng dugo na nanggagaling sa ating stomach and intestine goes to the liver through the portal vein. Bakit? Siyempre, siya mag-filter ng kinain mo in the form of blood. The nutrients from the food that you have taken, the chemicals from the medications you've been taking, iti-turn niya yan into form na kung kailan dapat gamitin na. So again, it filters out the toxins, bacteria, virus, germs. Trabaho yan ng atay. Ito pa, it can make bile to digest the food. It can even help control blood cholesterol level and blood sugar level. And it can also make proteins that can make the blood clot normally. Ganun po ka-importante ang ating atay. Aalagaan po yan. Paano naman kung nagkasakit si atay? Paano mo malalaman? Simple lang. May masakit. Saan? Dito sa abdomen mo, sa gitna at sa right side. May masakit. Hindi ka makakain. Pwedeng nasusuka ka or nagsusuka. Bigla kang parang andali mong mapagod. Hindi ka nga makakain, nangangayayat ka na. Pwedeng, ayan, meron ka ng problema sa atay.